Imagine standing in the middle of a turquoise sea, surrounded by thousands of colorful fish, with limestone islands rising around you like a movie scene. Today, I'm in Langkawi, Malaysia, island hopping by speedboat, starting at the famous fish feeding spot and later heading to a beautiful hidden island. Trust me, this is a journey you don't want to miss.
Right now, we are traveling by speedboat through the beautiful waters of Langkawi in Malaysia, very close to the border of Thailand. Langkawi is actually an archipelago made up of more than 99 islands, famous for its crystal waters, green mountains, and amazing marine life. As our speedboat cuts through the waves, we pass between massive limestone hills and small tropical islands. The water here has this beautiful green-blue color that almost looks unreal. The ride itself feels like a roller coaster on water. Sometimes smooth, sometimes a little bumpy as we climb over the waves. And after a short ride through these stunning islands, we are finally arriving at one of the most popular stops in Langkawi Island Hopping tours, the fish feeding spot.
As soon as our boat slows down, something incredible starts to happen. Thousands of small fish begin gathering around the boat. They swim everywhere, beneath us, beside us, and even near the surface of the water. Most of them are bright green with touches of blue, and when sunlight hits their scales, they shine beautifully under the water. What's really interesting is that these fish are not afraid of people at all. They are used to tourists visiting this place every day. Many visitors bring bread or biscuits with them because feeding the fish has become a fun tradition here. So I take a piece of bread, break it into small pieces, and gently throw it into the water. And within seconds, the fish rush in. Thousands of tiny mouths grabbing the bread instantly. The pieces disappear almost immediately. Watching this happen so close is actually thrilling. It's one thing to see fish in documentaries or aquariums, but seeing them like this, freely swimming in their natural environment, just inches away from you, that's a completely different feeling. Moments like this remind us how beautiful and alive the ocean really is. After spending some time here enjoying the fish feeding experience, it's time to continue our journey. Our speedboat moves again, heading toward another beautiful island nearby. Soon we arrive at a floating walkway made from small plastic blocks connected together. This floating bridge allows visitors to walk safely from the boat to the island. Walking on it is actually a funny experience. The bridge gently moves with the waves, so sometimes people lose their balance a little. A few visitors stumble, some laugh, and everyone seems to be enjoying the moment. But slowly, step by step, we walk across the floating path above the sea. And finally, we arrive at the island. The atmosphere here feels completely different.
Let the audience feel the scenery. Bright blue sky, endless sea, and limestone islands rising around us. What an incredible day! The sky is bright blue, the sun is shining, and the endless sea surrounds us in every direction. Days like this are made for adventure.
If you ever get the chance, you should definitely visit Langkawi. As soon as we reach the island, the atmosphere completely changes. People from all over the world are here, enjoying their time in nature.
Some visitors are sitting under the shade of large trees, chatting and relaxing. Others are swimming in the warm seawater. Some are playing on the white sand, while children run around happily. What makes this place special is how natural it still feels. The island is surrounded by green trees, soft white sand, and calm blue water. In the distance, you can see beautiful mountains rising from the sea, a signature landscape of Langkawi. Langkawi itself is believed to be millions of years old, with limestone formations that are among the oldest in Southeast Asia. The islands were shaped slowly by nature, wind, and ocean waves over a very long time. Today, these islands have become one of Malaysia's most famous tourist destinations. Looking around, you can see people taking photos, walking along the beach, collecting small shells, or simply sitting quietly and enjoying the view. Some adventurous visitors are even trying activities like parasailing in the distance. The sun is quite strong today. So a few small food stalls here sell fresh coconut drinks. The coconuts come directly from the island trees. They may be a little expensive, but honestly, drinking fresh coconut water while sitting under a tree and watching the ocean, that's a feeling worth every penny. This place really makes you slow down and appreciate nature. Blue sky above, green islands around, and the endless ocean stretching into the horizon. Through this walking tour, I tried my best to share this beautiful journey with you. If you ever get the chance, you should definitely visit Langkawi and experience this amazing island life yourself. And if you enjoyed this virtual journey with me, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next adventure.